What are the two steps in anaerobic respiration? Answer: glycolysis and fermentation. Glycolysis and fermentation are the two steps for anaerobic respiration. Are the two steps for anaerobic respiration. Next question, give some examples of
Ma'am, please wait. Done, ma'am.
give some example of organism which cannot live in presence of oxygen. Organism which cannot live in presence of oxygen. Answer:
Can you repeat the question?
give some example of organism. Give some example of organism which cannot live in presence of oxygen. Answer: answer: bacteria. Answer: bacteria. Next question. Next question. Give some example of organisms which perform anaerobic respiration.
Please repeat, ma'am.
Anaerobic respiration.
Okay.
Anaerobic respiration. Answer: seeds perform These perform anaerobic respiration. If the soil is submerged, under water. If the soil is submerged under water, during germination. Second point, our muscle cells also perform anaerobic respiration. While performing exercise. Next question. What are first class proteins? Proteins are the macromolecules
Proteins are the
macromolecules formed by bonding together many amino acids. Many amino acids full stop. Proteins of animal origin are called as first class proteins.
Hello. Am I audible?
So there is a complete process in which the proteins are converted into amino acids. Those are the amino acids are absorbed in the body and transported to each organ cell, each organ and every cell via the blood. So excess of amino acids obtained from the proteins are not stored in the body. They are broken down and ammonia formed is eliminated out of the body. If necessary, excess of proteins are converted into other useful substances like glucose through the process of gluconeogenesis. ये हम टेक्स्ट से पढ़ रहे हैं. आपके पास सबके पास टेक्स्ट बुक है ना? Just give
Yes,
me a
ma'am.
second. ओके, आपके पास टेक्स्ट बुक है. अच्छा, तो अभी ये वाला पार्ट बहुत ही सिंपल है. इसके आगे का लिखें आप. एक और डेफिनेशन है. व्हाट आर लिपिड्स? LIPIDS. व्हाट आर लिपिड्स? The substances formed by specific chemical bonds. The substances formed by specific chemical bond the substances formed by specific chemical bonds between fatty acids and alcohol. Fatty acids and alcohol are called as lipids. ठीक है, समझ में आ रहा है आपको?
Yes, ma'am.
अभी क्या कर रहे हैं? वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट ऑल द कंपोनेंट्स, एनर्जी फ्रॉम डिफरेंट कंपोनेंट्स जो हमें मिलती है. तो सबसे पहले हमने बात किया है प्रोटीन्स के बारे में. सेकेंडली वी आर नाउ टॉकिंग अबाउट द लिपिड्स. And why is lipid important? Do you think lipids are important? Lipids are also very important. They will be helpful in producing the hormones like progesterone, estrogen, then testosterone, aldosterone also, yeah, etc. And also if there are some excess of these lipids, they are stored into the connective tissue. Okay. So this is very important that you remember this part. बाद में ये सिर्फ आपको fill in the blanks वगैरह में आएगा, बट आगे आप जैसे सिलेबस आगे जाएगा आप ये छोटे छोटे sentences और definitions शायद भूल जाए, but this might come for fill in the blanks. और एक है इसमें what is phospholipid, वो भी important है. Let's go ahead and see what it is.
We have to write this question.
What are phospholipids?
Phospho.
The molecules called as phospholipids. The molecules called as phospholipids are formed from fatty acids. Are formed from fatty acids. They are They are essential for producing plasma membrane. They are essential for producing plasma membrane. Next question. How do you get fatty acids and what is its use? How do you get fatty acids and what is its use? So what is fatty acids? It is nothing but the digestion of the lipids. जब lipids को digest करते हैं तो वो बनाते हैं fatty acids and alcohol. So we're talking about the fatty acids now. So you have written the question. How do you get fatty acids and what is its
No, ma'am.
use? Digestion of lipids. The digestion of lipids is conversion into fatty acids and alcohol. Fatty acids and alcohol. Next line. Fatty acids are used for producing.
Ma'am, second point.
Yeah. Fatty acids are used for producing hormones like progesterone, 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 comma, estrogen, estrogen, comma, testosterone, 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 comma, aldosterone, aldosterone, RONE, sorry, aldosterone, aldosterone, etc. And the covering around the axons of the nerve cells. And the covering around the axons of the nerve cells. Axons, 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 मालूम है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Of the nerve cells. इसके आजू बाजू में जो covering है, that is also made with the help of this. Fatty acids are absorbed up. Fatty acids are absorbed up and distributed everywhere within the body. From those fatty acids, different cells produce various substances necessary to themselves. necessary to themselves. Next question. How are lipids helpful? How are lipids helpful? वो तो बोला ही नहीं आपने. We get 9 kilocalories of energy per gram of lipids. तो अभी आपने क्या क्या समझा है? What are proteins? है ना? What are first class proteins? अमाइनो एसिड्स के बारे में समझा, लिपिड्स, फॉस्फोलिपिड्स, फैटी एसिड्स. अभी नेक्स्ट हम कर रहे हैं विटामिन. What are vitamins? Right. Enter if anybody knows what are vitamins then. First, right. What are vitamins? So as we always talk about vitamins means it is very important for all the processes of our body. जिससे ये अच्छा होता है, वो अच्छा होता है. मतलब क्या? इसका मतलब ये है कि आपकी बॉडी का फंक्शनिंग अच्छा होता है. So it is necessary कि आपकी बॉडी के फंक्शनिंग के लिए विटामिन का प्रेजेंस. दैट इज वन थिंग. और एक बात आपको सबको पता है कि इसके टाइप्स होते हैं, है ना? विटामिन ए, बी, ऐसे अलग अलग टाइप्स होते हैं. प्लस now we'll define each, not each, but पूरा एक अच्छे सा इसका definition लिखते हैं. Vitamins are a group of heterogeneous compounds of which each is essential for proper operation of various processes in the body. Next line. There are 6 types of vitamins. Example: A, B, C, D, E, and K. A, B, C, D, E and K. Out of these A, D, E and K, out of these A, D, E and K are fat soluble. Are fat soluble, whereas
Ma'am, can you repeat the vitamins?
whereas B and C are water soluble. Whereas B and C are water soluble. Next point, we have seen that FADH2 and NADH2 are produced FADH2 and NADH2 are produced in processes like which processes, do you remember? Glycolysis and Krebs cycle. In processes like glycolysis and Krebs cycle. Next point, vitamins like riboflavin, RIBOFLAVIN, flavin, into bracket vitamin B2, into bracket vitamin B2. And nicotinamide vitamin B5. Are necessary for their production. और नेक्स्ट न्यूट्रिएंट क्या है हमारा? वाटर. नेक्स्ट लिखें आप वाटर एंड राइट गिव रीजन भी लिखो उधर. गिव रीजन वाटर इज एन एसेंशियल न्यूट्रिएंट. आप बोलोगे वाटर एसेंशियल न्यूट्रिएंट है क्या, ऐसे कैसे? क्योंकि वो तो बहुत इजीली मिलता है इसलिए आपको लगता है कि वो इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं है ना? तो अभी मैं इसका आंसर भी लिखवाती हूँ आपको. There is about 65 to 70% water in our body. There is about 65 to 70% water in our body. Each cell contains, each cell contains 70% water by weight. 70% water by weight. Blood plasma also contains 90% of water. 90% of water. Functioning of cells and thereby whole body. Functioning of cells and thereby whole body is disturbed. Even if there is a little loss of water from the body. Even if there is a little loss of water from the body. Even if there is a little loss of water from the body. Hence, water is an essential nutrient. Hence, water is an essential nutrient.